Hello guys! Today we will find out how to call a LibreOffice Calc function in BASIC. As you know, Calc has a lot of useful functions for everyday tasks. For example, there is a min or max function to calculate the minimum or maximum value. Let's have a look. Now let's do the same using a custom macro in BASIC. For this, open the macro editor choosing the tools menu, Macros, Edit Macros. In the opened window, create a new function. Our function will calculate minimum value from two values. Let's name it min basic to differentiate it from the regular calc function min. As you can notice, to use the min function we need to call the function access service and then invoke method call function. Now check the new function on the worksheet. Type equals min basic and add the arguments. Very good, our custom function has returned the same result. If you need more function and utilities to facilitate your everyday task, you can use the YLC Utilities. YLC Utilities is an extension containing many custom macros that extend LibreOffice Calc functionality. You will be able to do many actions with text, numbers, dates, ranges, worksheets, and even use custom styles for tables and get data from the internet. Check links in the description under the video for more information. If the video was helpful for you, please let me know in comments below and have a nice day.